Good morning, students. Welcome in computer class of 7th standard, and we are doing chapter number 7, database and DBMS and introduction. So everyone open your computer books, page number 82. In our previous class we have done introduction to database, types of database and structure of database. So in today's class we will learn what is Microsoft Access, features of Microsoft Access and components of Access 2016. Firstly, what is a Microsoft Access? Microsoft Access is the most powerful RDBMS. RDBMS is Relational Database Management System. It has a graphical user interface. It is used to organize and manipulate a large volume of data. It organizes data in the form of tables and helps in creating a relationship between these tables by using common field. Another important feature of Access is that you can add, update, delete and view the data by using forms. Some examples of Microsoft Access are Microsoft SQL Server. SQL full form is Structured Query Language, and Oracle. Students, let us understand the concept of relationship with the help of an example. To maintain the student's database in RDBMS, instead of entering all the records in a single table, we will split our fields into two tables having a common column such as a roll number. So firstly, I will take first table, that is a student's information table. In this table, I have taken some fields like roll number, name, father's name, address, telephone number and date of birth of the students. So, the next table is marks table. Notice that the values of roll number field in marks table are the same as the values in the student's information table. You can see, you can define a relationship between both the tables using a common field, that is a roll number. Thus, by splitting the related information into different tables, RDBMS reduces the duplication of data. Now I am going to discuss some features of Microsoft Access. Number one is provides the facility to break large information into small parts, like you can see here. Here I have split one table into 3 small tables so that it is easy to access the information. Next is helps in reducing the data redundancy. Data redundancy means duplication of data. Like you can see in this picture, there is no any repeated field. Next is controls the data inconsistency and properly maintains database. Inconsistency means multiple mismatching copies of the same data. It occurs when there are multiple copies of same data, out of which a few are updated and others are not. Next is increase the efficiency, speed, flexibility in searching and accessing the information. Next is facilitates sharing of data. Different users can use the same database to extract the data according to their needs. Next is Queries in database help you get information. You can get information on a specific topic from the information stored in the database. Next is providing the facility to create data forms so that the user can enter the required information in the respective fields. It also reduces data entry errors. Next is reports. In database allow you to present the data in a meaningful and summarized manner. So these are the some features of Microsoft Access. Now I am going to discuss some components of Access 2016. So these are some components like quick access toolbar, title bar, tell me what you want to do, tabs, navigation pane, navigation buttons, work area, status bar, view buttons, ribbon. So now I am going to discuss one by one. Title bar is located at the top of the window and displays the name of the active database. Like here active database is database 9, means I'm working on database 9. Next component is quick access toolbar. This toolbar is present at the top left corner of the Access window. It contains the most frequently used commands buttons. By default it displays the save, undo and redo buttons, but you can customize it to display more commands of your choice. Next is ribbon. It contains various tabs, each with several group of relevant commands. Like here I have selected Fields tab, so it will show the commands related with the fields. Some tabs appear when you work with certain objects like forms. Such tabs are called contextual tabs. Next component is navigation pane. This pane is present on the left side of the Access window. It displays the name of objects used in the database such as tables, forms, reports, etc. Next component is navigation buttons. As the name suggests, it helps in navigating through the records. The navigation buttons display the current record number in an object. Next is object tabs. The objects that you have opened in a database appear right above of the work area in a tabbed form. Like here I have opened table 1 tab. So this is our object tab. Next component is status bar. This bar is located at the bottom of the window. On its extreme left here, it displays the name of the current view, and on its right it displays view buttons like datasheet view, design view. Next component is tell me what you want to do. It is a new feature which can be used to get quick help on topics that you are looking for or the commands that you want to use in your document. Like you can see here, this is a tell me what you want to do. So this is all about of today's class. Here you have learned what is a Microsoft Access, features of Microsoft Access and components of ICSE 2016. So students, read this chapter carefully.